trading in this market and walking through hell, both are same. What not is happening, right? If you see the market, I am shooting this video at market hours. Already Nifty has moved at around to 300, 400, or let's say 500 points also. So it is very hard. What not is happening? Volatility, IV spike. There are lots of injection. One single candle, 100 points, 200 points. Or last week we have seen around 300 or 400 points. And going forward, we are going to enter Nifty monthly expiry. We really don't know what is going to happen. See, you can pass NEET exam. You can be a top ranker, you can crack NEET, you can crack JEE mains or advanced, or you can even crack UPSC prelims, mains, or even interview. But this thing is very, very hard. Look at the way market is moving and what not is happening, right? See, as I talk to you, market has already coming to around 23,100. It went all the way till around 23,300, coming back. Already it has moved 500 points, right? So if you looking at what would have happened, I'm thinking like what people will be doing or what would have they done. Probably when market has touched, I am talking about the Nifty, market has touched around 23,400 levels, you would have thought you will go long. That is what people were discussing in our Telegram group, and suddenly market is coming on the downside. Now around the 23,000 level, you will think market we have to go short, you will go short, immediately reverse will happen. That is why we never try to manage our position, we never try to do any adjustment because of this hell, right? This problem, not hell, this problem. Market is making simply insane. There is no respect for open interest, there is no respect for price action, nothing is happening. So this is how the markets are, whether we like it or not, whether we because I don't know about you, I don't know anything other than selling options. So this is my this is my main thing. I am very passionate about trading options. So we'll see how things work out. For now, what we will see is, or what we think is, if you had seen our previous video, or if you have not seen, I will leave the link somewhere. If you have seen our previous video, we told that the likelihood of market going on the higher side is very, very high. In fact, before that we posted a video, we are taking huge risk because we are shorting the we are going long in the market in spite of market at around 23,000. The 23,000 levels. Now the market has gone to 23,300 levels. I don't have to tell you what would have happened to my position. So that is, you are very smart people, you are all very smart, I don't have to tell you. Now what will happen or what might happen is what I am trying to say. Now if you see this chart, you can see clearly there is a big red candle which is a high demand zone. And let me show you one more thing also. If I click this supply and demand, you can see here there is a huge demand zone. Sorry, huge demand zone. Yeah, sorry, huge demand zone at around 23,300 levels. And look at what happened to Nifty. Exactly after touching this level, it has reversed and it is coming towards around 23,100, a drop of around 300 points, not 300 points, let's say around 200 points. Now there is every possibility that the market may go to the demand zone, which is around 23,000. Now I will tell you one more thing. When order block and supply and demand coincides or is together, there is every possibility that the market may be in this range for the next 2 or 3 trading sessions. We are having just 2 or 3 trading sessions only. After that, maybe we will go into February. Probably I will not take any trade in February series because once the budget is done, I will take some trade. I am also telling you, don't take any trade before budget. Let the budget finish. People will tell there is high IV is there. VIX is very, very high. If you take trade now, you will be in profitable. Don't look at those things. It will put you in trouble. So make sure this unless until you are a very experienced trader or you have high caliber, you can take this trade. If you are not, such person, don't take any trade. Let this union budget finish, then you can take the trade. Now what you have to do in terms of market, let's say you are trying to go long in this market, right? If you want to go long in this market, all I will say is let the market come to around 23,000 levels, then try to go long in this market. Or if you want to short the market, try to short the market when the market is at around 23,300 or 400 levels, is what I would say. As of now, market is coming around, it is breaking all the support, or whatever support was there, it is breaking and coming on the downside. And look at India VIX. Even India VIX is jumping. Even it this whole market is confusing the whole bulls and bears, whether irrespective of whether you are long or whether you are short, the likelihood of you being wrong is very very high, right? So this is how things are going for the last few days. If you see last few days, it has been volatile, or to be precise, to be specific, since this expiry day trading has been introduced, markets are super volatile, and we don't know when this is going to end up. And we talked briefly about manipulation. All this is happening because of manipulation, and I will do a thorough research on this manipulation, what is happening, what might not happen, and we will come out with a video with a clear explanation like what we did on yesterday's video. So for now, the conclusion or what my perspective is, whether I am right or not, that is secondary. What my perspective or what we believe is, market may another 3 days is left. Today is Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, only 4 days left for expiry. So we believe market may trend between 23,000 and 23,400 with a huge volatility is what we expect in terms of Nifty. And after that, we will have to wait, because we don't know what the union budget is going to come up with, whether they are going to increase or decrease the corporate tax. There is going to be positive news in terms of macroeconomic data, that we really don't know. We'll have to wait and watch what our FM is going to come out with. So we'll have to wait. So we strongly believe, I'm telling you again, we strongly believe that the market may be range bound between 23,000 to around 23,400, or let's say hypothetically 23,500 level is what we believe. So let us see how things pan out. And this is in terms of Nifty. And when it comes to what to say, union budget, I have a dedicated video for that as well. We'll post that dedicated video. In that video, we will explain what might finance minister come out with, whether it is going to help us or whether it is going to be in favor of us or it is not going to be in favor of us. In fact, we conducted a poll today morning in our Telegram group, and if you are not part of our Telegram group, you can join our Telegram group. We also share strategies in our Telegram group, daily market updates in our Telegram group. So if you are not part of our Telegram group, I will leave the link in the description below. And today also, January 21st, I shared a simple strategy for our members in our Telegram group, and the trade is in a profit of around how much, maybe around 14,000 or 14,500. Of course, market has come to around 23,000 levels. It is almost trading at around 23,000. So this trade was suggested to our members in our Telegram group, so website members. So if you want to join our website membership, it is a very low price, a throwaway price, just 200 rupees, for which the link is on the description below. And it is not for monetary benefits, I'll tell you, because there are more than 65 strategies plus on-demand videos. Everything we are working, there is a knowledge base of 65 strategies. Every day we are posting videos. We have to prepare a lot. So one-time payment, you have lifetime access. If you want, I'm telling you again, if you want, you can take that, or you just can ignore that, right? And in terms of Banknifty, let me go to the Banknifty chart. And what is happening in terms of Bank Nifty is actually Bank Nifty, both Nifty and Bank Nifty is down. Bank Nifty is also taking all the supports. Now this is Bank Nifty chart. If you are trading Bank Nifty, I hope this will help you. Now what is happening? There is a huge demand zone at around 48,000 and there is a huge supply zone at around 48,900 or let's say 49,000. So what you will have to do is, if you are trying to go long in this market, go long at around 48,000 levels, and if you want to short the market, you have to short at around 48,500 48,900 or 50,000 levels, right? Now I will tell you one more thing. I will not take your time much. Now, how do you interpret or how do you use this order block? Many people are asking how do you use. I'll tell you, order block is very simple. You just have to go to Trading View, Flux chart. You have to subscribe for a Flux chart. Of course, it is expensive. I'm not going to say it is cheap. It is expensive, but what it tells you is where the institutions have huge orders or where the institutions have huge placed huge quantity, whether it is a buy quantity or sell quantity. Now what happens is, or how do you interpret this flux chart is, whenever there is a huge whenever it touches a huge block order, it tries to reverse or market tries to reverse from that area, like what happened today morning. If I show this example today, if you see this Nifty chart, now what happened is, once it touched a block order at around 23,400, immediately we are seeing a reversal and market coming towards around 23,000 levels. Now there is every possibility after market touches or comes to around 23,000, there might be a reversal, and that is where many people will go long, right? Now, as I told you, when market touched 23,400, you would have gone long. That is what many people were telling in our Telegram group. But contrary to what they were saying, market reverse. Now, when it touches 23,000, you will believe that the market will go long. You will add some shorts, and opposite will happen. Unless until there is a huge volume. There is also a disclaimer. It doesn't mean that order blocks will work every time. And you have to remember, when the order block is broken at a very huge volume, let us say for example, I will show you in this example. If you see this Nifty chart, if there is a huge break at this level, there is a huge break at this level with a huge volume, what happens is, this support, now it is acting as a support, in future it will act as a resistance, is what I am trying to say. Same on the opposite side. If there is a huge breakout above this area with a huge volume, then you have to understand this resistance is going to act as a future support. So that is how we trade, or this is how we interpret this trading system, right? Now already market, it is around 2:15. I don't want to take this video till 3 p.m. Already I have talked maybe around 14 minutes. So already Nifty has moved 23,180, 23,300, then again back to 23,100, then again going to 23,300, then again coming back to 23,000. So it's almost 700, 800 points move in one trading session. That's why I told you, you can crack all types of exam, but if you try to crack this market, it will make you crack. That is what I want to say, right? Don't get me wrong, or don't think I am arrogant. I'm just telling whatever insight or whatever I know is happening. It may go right, it may go wrong. So there are lots of whatever I'm saying is a hypothesis, or it is hypothetical. So let us see how things work out. And tomorrow is a weekend. Let's see if market works in our favor or not. I will end this video here. I will see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.